Hey guys, it's travel time, back at you. We are sitting here waiting in line to go in and take a ride in an actual bona fide NASCAR race car, we hope.
It might be a pace car.
Or pace, no, it's the NASCAR, it's the actual car. It's the Andretti deal. It better be a damn, we'll see. I'm gonna try to video some of it if they let me. I'm hoping it's a freaking actual race car. That'd be awesome. So stay tuned. If you see this video, then that means I got to ride in one and video it. If you don't see it, then of course you didn't see it, so who gives a shit? So, alright then, we will talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? I got my Kyle Larson. She's got her Chase Elliott, number 9, number 5, koozies. Gonna get some shirts. Don't know if I'm gonna get a hat. Gotta rep the Cowboys. But we wanted to get back in here. You know, yesterday we were talking about we are gonna try to do the race car experience. We did get to ride in the race cars.
Which was
Unfortunately,
awesome.
they wouldn't let me video. But I was able to buy a video package which shows the car. I didn't tell you that. It shows us taking laps around the track, and it also shows me looking all pimped-fied and sexy.
Where y'all? Jesus.
No. But I'm gonna show that right now.
Did it show the part where you passed out?
Right now. I didn't pass out.
No, you didn't.
Back here. I'm actually kind of worried about the line.
We appreciate you guys coming out today.
Man, this
Hope
is
you enjoy
awesome.
the week.
Heck yeah. Alright, so after you saw the video, what'd you think about the experience?
It was awesome. I loved it. I wasn't going to do it, but two ladies talked me into it. I couldn't let them show me up, so I had to join in.
Oh, it was a blast. We had
I got in and out of that car like a pro.
we did some, it was fun. I'm glad I did. We kind of stepped out of a comfort zone. And I hate to say it, but a lot of it is because of the YouTube channel. We're trying to do things, but you know, I'm glad we are doing the channel because we really stepped outside our comfort zone and did some stuff that we would have never done before, right?
Yep.
But I don't know, I'm saying anybody that says those boys ain't freaking athletes are full of shit. I'm telling you guys, if you ever get the chance to do it, you need to freaking try it, because we went around the first time on the bottom. He came up top, hit turn one, and holy shit, I swear the G's were so bad I thought I was gonna freaking pass out. And it wasn't a front to back or freaking suck you in your seat, it was to suck you sideways. Did it do that to you?
Yes.
It was freaking,
It felt like all my organs were going to the side.
that's what I was freaking, when we got back, the dude said, what'd you think? I was like, holy shit, I don't see how you guys do that for 500, 400, 500 freaking laps, miles, whatever. It's crazy, man. It's freaking awesome. If you love speed, you got to try it. And I guarantee you they weren't going as fast as they do on the track. I mean, I don't really know how fast they were going. I know it was fast enough for me. It
And
made my butthole pucker.
it is hot as hell in those cars. I couldn't imagine being suited up in what they have to wear, because I was sweating like crazy, and I was in shorts and in the tank top.
And they will let you know that, you know, like I said, they help you in, so they gonna touch stuff that you might not want touched. So just be cool. But I'm telling you, man, it's well freaking worth it. It's a fun ass time.
They
So-
did. They said, the guy told me, he's like, I apologize now if I touch anything that I shouldn't be touching.
But anyway, we won't close this one out. We decided we're gonna go ahead and do different videos. We're gonna be out here 10 days, but a couple days it rained. We weren't able to do nothing. Different events are coming up, so we're just gonna make videos where we can and have a good time, and hope you guys enjoy them. So remember, subscribe, click that bell notification, way you know when the shit's coming real, and follow along with us. So remember, live, laugh, most importantly, love. Later, guys.
Later, guys.